Optimization of importing modules in Python. I am reading David Beasley's Python reference book, and he makes a point. For example, if you are performing a lot of square root operations, it is faster to use from math import sqrt and sqrtx rather than typing math.sqrtx. And for calculations involving heavy use of methods or module lookups, it is almost always better to eliminate the attribute lookup by putting the operation you want to perform into a local variable first. I decided to try it out. First. Second. The results were optimizations such as these probably don't matter to me. But I am curious as to why the opposite of what Beasley has written comes out to be true. And note that there is a difference of 1 second, which is significant given the task is trivial. Why is this happening? Update. I am getting the timings like
The from collections import default tick and import collections should be outside the iterated timing loops, since you won't repeat doing them. I guess that the from syntax has to do more work than the import syntax. Using this test code, I get results. Which shows how much the repeated imports cost.
I'll get also similar ratios between first dot and second dot, only difference is that the timings are in microsecond level. I don't think that your timings measure anything useful. Try to figure out better test cases. Update. Phew, here is some tests to support David Beasley's point. So first is some 20% slower than second.
There is also the question of efficiency of reading/understanding the source code. Here's a real-live example, code from a Stack Overflow question. Original. Alternative.
My guess, your test is biased and the second implementation gains from the first one already having loaded the module, or just from having it loaded recently. How many times did you try it? Did you switch up the order, etc.?
If you want to see more, please don't share some